Hello, welcome to Buckeye Readers Chat. I'm Patty.
I'm Krista.
And guess what we're here to talk about today? What are we here for?
We are here to talk about spring gardening.
I love gardening. Yeah, there's such good stuff out there. Did you have a garden when you were growing up?
We did. It was one of our daily chores. My parents had a hill with a big backyard, and beans, carrots, potatoes, everything. And
we did too.
It was so much better than what you buy sometimes, the fresh stuff out of your garden.
It was so tasty, but it's a lot of work, a lot of water. We've watered here and grown watermelon.
Oh.
We've grown snow peas. You can just eat the whole thing. That was up in Washington. But it's so good to go and have your own fresh food. It does taste so much better. Somebody gave us this plant. I haven't decided what to name it yet.
Hot peppers?
Yeah. And we'll try eating them one of these days.
Have you ever heard of fiddleheads?
Hmm.
It's a wild up in Canada. It grows along the shore when the ice, water goes out after the ice. Mm-hmm. And it's I guess a weed, for lack of a better word, but it's called fiddleheads. It's very popular in the province of New Brunswick that people go out, and we did that as kids, go out and pick it, and then eat it with, boil it like a vegetable, and eat it with lemon juice. That's very good.
Very good, yeah. I remember the corn when I was growing up, and potatoes, like you're saying, tomatoes, and all kinds of things, peppers, cucumbers. We had just everything that we grew, then we canned it, saved it for the winter, what we could, and it was good. And so here at the library, we have several different books that would encourage you. Where else can we find information about?
We can find on our online magazines that's available through your library card, and then you go to digital and then to our magazines. This is one particular one, Eating Well, that caught my attention. Patty has them as well under the Southwest Valley Library Consortium. All kinds of different ones, so there's no reason that we can't be eating healthy food without these recipes. Very inexpensive. This one particularly caught my attention. First off, I love the color, and then I love all the various vegetables that it's showing, the winter root vegetables that you can make. Very inexpensive to make, and definitely good for you health-wise.
And there's even a book on gardening with your children. So that's a good idea to get your children involved, and different ideas there. Who do we have coming to the library that's going to talk about gardening?
On February the 5th, which is a Saturday, at 2 p.m. at the Coyote Branch, located on 21699 West Yuma Road, we're having Lowe's store partnering with us again, and we are doing Plant It, Grow It, Eat It.
Very good.
And they talk about simply what we're talking about, but a little bit more in detail. Okay, I live in this area and I can't seem to get my outside garden to grow. What could be the issue? Could it be something to do with the soil? Am I watering too much? And it's a very educational opportunity for people.
They have some good wisdom.
They do. Over the years, we've had Lori Kirby come and talk to our participants or our attendees, and it was very knowledgeable. I've learned a lot every year, and things that you don't even think about. If you live maybe in one part of Buckeye or you live in Phoenix, the soil is going to be different depending on your area, and so the chemicals and the fertilizer and stuff that you put in the soil makes a big difference.
It certainly does, that fertilizer, the water, and then the end of summer. Actually, here in Arizona, we have 2 planting seasons. Some people plant in the spring, and then when it starts to cool off in the fall, they plant there as well. One of my friends, she actually starts her plants probably in February, growing in her house. Then she transplants them as it gets warmer into her garden. So there's a lot of ideas out there, and we hope that you come to the library or go online, check out a magazine. And if you have any questions, let us know, or come to that Lowe's event. When was that again?
Yes, it is on Saturday, February the 5th at 2 p.m. at the Coyote Branch Library. If you have any questions, give us a call at our main number, and we're happy to answer any questions about it.
Yeah. Well, thank you for joining Buckeye Readers Chat today.
Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.